Today we're going to do, restart. Boring. Hey guys, I've got a surprise. Welcome back to School Hug. Oh, it's really fun and strong. It's really fun and strong. So I'm going to go. Whoopsie. Bye bye. You. Bye. Hello. I'm going to show you some back to school DIY supplies. Well, first let's start with a pouch. All you have to do is get a cardboard roll and squeeze it and cut it. And then you get a flag and put it in. And the next, all you need is some notes. Pad, rip off the pad. Rip off the pad, okay? All you have to do is rip off the pad and stuff and fold. Rip off the pad and fold them. Fold it off like this. This is hard. Put it off like this. And put them in. And put the flap closed and start decorating it with some pencils and and then you have it. You have a little note holder. I put in girl power and some hearts and stuff. Next one. Have you always dreamed for this? I kind of copied. I'm sorry, Wendy. I'm sorry, Wendy. Sorry, Wendy. But it's not the same. This one's edible. All you need is a lollipop and put it in. All you need is a lollipop, a pencil, and a nice, any kind of squishy. All you have to do is I'll make a hole in it with anything. Don't be like me, don't be like Heba. Don't be like me, don't be like Heba. I'm literally going to use this. Ow! This hurts. Yeah. This is hard. This is complicated. Too complicated. But the lollipop will just look like a little eraser while you put this in. This is so hard. You know what? I'm just gonna just rip out the pieces until you get it. This one might take a while, but and then you have it. Okay? Boom! This took a while with my unicorn pen that I copied from Wendy. Why did I say that? I'm in love with Wendy. Of course, you know that because my DIY squishies. I let you see. I talked about my life. You know what? I'm just quitting this. There you have it. I know. That was weird. Because I just tasted Dum Dum's lollipops all by myself. Okay. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Next one. Customize pencil case. All you need for a pencil case is some stickers and a clear pencil case and anything like markers and crayons or markers or paint. All you have to do is stick the stickers on and then you color onto your thingy. And there you have. That's so simple but really cute. Next one, I forgot. A nice pencil thingy for everything. This one's easier with a lollipop. No, where's my lolly? Do 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 do. I'm gonna roll it up. Keep rolling, 'cause I got the rolling, keep rolling, 'cause I got the rolling. And then you put another part for the pencil, a crayon or pen. I'm going to use a pen right now. And then there you have it. A snack and easy writing. You could totally prank your friends with this. That's all I have today. Stay for part 2 soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.